Hello dear Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your March first week's exclusive love reading. Your cards are already out. So if you are a sun, moon, rising Aquarius, this reading is for you. Whether you are in a relationship, complicated situationship or marriage, think about a question and then watch this reading. You will definitely get an answer, or at least I will give you the prediction of what is to come for you. Alright, so let's begin. You've got the Five of Moons and the Prince card. And you've got the Astronomer and the Pipis. Okay, first of all, Aquarius, I do see you living in past for some reason. It could be a past person, it could be a past situation, it could be your childhood. There is something which is making you feel nostalgic, right? Now remember the situations we think about, and we think that, oh, we're missing them, or they're really nice, or that time was very good. It's not necessary. Nostalgia sometimes make things look like they were important, or at least they were nicer than they actually were. So I do see you stuck in the past and overthinking a lot about your past. The cards are saying that they understand that you're looking for a perfect partner, right? The prince or the princess of your dreams. They're also saying that that person is very near, okay? But first you will have to come out from your past thinking, stuck thinking. I do feel that you want to move on, you want a perfect partner, or maybe you want a reconciliation. Now more than a reconciliation, I do see a new person waiting to come towards you, but you are somehow delaying this union of yours, this divine union of yours. Why? Because you have to bring yourself out of the stuck energy. If you continue to live in the stuck energy, you will continue to delay what is meant for you. Okay, that is the law of the universe. So kindly come out of that stuck energy. That perfect partner is right around the corner waiting for you to be ready. Okay, so first you have to be ready. Also, I do see, Aquarius, that there is someone around you. It can be in your friend circle or your colleagues at your workplace, or it can be through family or friends, that that person sees you as a perfect partner. Somebody they can take home, somebody they can party with, that kind of a person. So you are that to them. But they are somewhere not able to come to you because your energy is closed off. So open your energy, be open to meeting new people. That person is right around the corner. And if you ever get stuck into a situation where you don't know what to choose, the cards are also saying that please listen to your higher wisdom. Listen to your intuition and what the cards are saying. So sometimes what also happens that, just because we reach a certain age, we are expected to get married. Now don't jump into the conclusion. Cards are also advising you to take your own sweet time. And if you don't feel right about a particular person or situation, stay away from it, right? Don't force yourself into it, because your wisdom, your higher wisdom and your intuition will tell you exactly who is meant for you. Okay, so listen to it. And if the cards are asking you that this is not it, that person is, no matter what others are saying, you have to listen to your higher wisdom. All right, so please make this decision carefully, because I do see you very many people approaching you this week. So the first week can be very important for you, Aquarius. So you have to come out, start thinking positive, and with an open mind, try and start meeting people, because you will never know who is waiting for you. All right, till the time you give them a chance. So give them a chance, and then you see where your life takes you. So this is a beautiful reading, so to say, Aquarius. If you resonated with this reading, if you think this is exactly what is happening in your life, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Comment and let me know. And if you would like to claim the positive energy of this reading, do say, I claim this energy, I manifest this energy, so that that person reaches you faster. All right. And if you would like to book any reading with me or any ritual with me, you can either email me at asthasharma842@gmail.com, or you can email me uh, 1 second. You can DM me on Instagram as well, the Moksha Tarot. Do not forget to follow me on Instagram, because I post all my updates over there, everything related to this channel and the new launches as well. So kindly follow me on Instagram, the Moksha Tarot. I will see you soon. My charges are very cheap. If you're wondering that, I don't want to book the reading, my maximum charge is 1000 something, and my minimum charge starts with 170 rupees. So it will not even make a hole in your pocket. Why such low charges? Because I want to reach the masses. I want that more and more people can get clarity in their life and can move forward with pride. Okay. So take care of yourself and I will see you soon. Bye bye.